Here's a pair of the JBL Tune Flex 2 buds. I'm going to show you how I'm parent connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. The iPhone here is the iPhone 16e. First thing we want to do is put these in a pairing mode. Let me open up the lid here. Now let me just pull one of these out, okay? Now I'll know that if these are in pairing mode is if I put it in my ear and it says pairing, or if both of these is blinking blue, okay? I don't get no blinking blue here because I think I'm connected to another device. So for myself, let me manually put this into pairing mode, okay? I can grab one of the earbuds, it doesn't matter the left or right one, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tap and then tap and hold and keep holding until both of these start blinking blue, okay? Ready? Tap, tap and hold. Now I'm just gonna keep holding until it starts blinking blue. Okay, it's blinking blue and it should have said pairing, okay? So anyway, we're in pairing mode now. So now let's go ahead and jump over to our iPhone here. Let's go to settings, and then we're going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and let's slide down. Now you see other devices, that little spinny thing is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, about 30 feet for Bluetooth range, and it did find it, the Flex 2 right there. So let's tap that. Give it 1 second and voila, you can see it is connected and we are ready to go. Now, if you had any issues, you couldn't put it in pairing mode or you had problems connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below for that link in the description area.